Boost your vocabulary. 50 phrasal verbs for beginners. Let's begin. Put on. To wear something. He'll put on his shirt before the meeting. Throw up. To vomit. Martha ate too much and threw up last night. Take off. To remove something. He took off his shoes before coming here. Call off. To cancel something. She called off the meeting yesterday. Carry on. To continue doing something. Carry on with your work while I'm away. See off. To say goodbye when someone is leaving. She saw me off at the train station. Hold back. To stop yourself from doing something. The boss couldn't hold back his anger any longer. Let in. To allow someone or something to enter a place. She opened the door and let me in. Pass out. To faint. I was hit on the head and passed out. Take down. To write something down. Please take down my number. Turn around. To rotate or change direction. She turned around and waved goodbye. Call out. To speak loudly or shout, often to get attention. We had to call out a doctor. Fall down. To fall to the ground. I fell down the stairs and injured my back. Run into. To meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. I run into my boss at the supermarket. Talk over. To discuss something. I had to talk over a very important matter with him. Wrap up. To finish or complete something. He should wrap up his speech to make sense. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground. The plane is ready for takeoff. Turn down. To refuse or lower the volume. He turned down the job because it involved too much traveling. Give back. To return something to its owner. She gives back his textbook. Go through. To experience something difficult. I apologize for what you had to go through. Come back. To return. We just came back from America. Do over. To do something again. The room is not clean, so do it over. Eat out. To eat at a restaurant. I used to eat out all the time. Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. She never really got along with her sister. Give away. To give something for free. We have 6 copies of the book to give away. Give up. To stop trying or to quit. I'll never give up my job. I really love it. Go on. To continue doing something. I can't go on working like this, I'm exhausted. Hang out. To spend time with friends. I often used to hang out in supermarkets. Hold on. To wait for a short time. It's very windy, you'd better hold on to your hat. Let down. To disappoint someone. I let down all my friends by stealing. Look after. To take care of someone or something. We look after the neighbor's cat while they're away. Pass away. To die. His mother passed away last year. Pick up. To lift something from a surface. He picked up his cup from the floor. Run over. To hit someone or something with a vehicle. The driver saw the dog and ran over it. Take after. To resemble or be similar to someone. My son takes after his grandfather with his musical talent. Take down. To remove something from a higher position. She made us take down all the posters. Work on. To improve or develop something. I'm working on my homework. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. He finally asked her out for dinner. Break out. To start suddenly, like a fire or war. He predicted when the war would break out. Pick up. To collect someone or something. She went to pick up her son from the course. Drop off. Deliver. I'll drop off the package at the post office on my way to work. Break down. Stop working. The car broke down on the highway, and we had to call for help. Go over. Review. Let's go over the details of the plan one more time. Turn up. Arrive. He didn't turn up for the party, so we assumed he couldn't make it. Put off. Postpone. They decided to put off the project until next month. Get by. Survive with limited resources. It's tough, but we managed to get by with what we have. Thanks for watching. If you want to boost your vocabulary, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in our upcoming videos.